Good morning. It is, I don't know what this today. Oh, yeah, April 9th, Saturday. It's been a week since my second vlog. And at my friend's place, we were supposed to go to Six Flags today, but it's raining right now. And I didn't know it'd be raining this bad. Like, it's supposed to rain all day, so. And I just found out the tickets are non-refundable, like, at all. So I guess we have to go. But I guess there's still like a ton of stuff to do at Six Flags according to the website. So let's see if that's true. I have to go get ready soon. So see ya there. Hey, so we decided not to go to Six Flags since it's raining pretty badly, but I called them and and blah blah English words. I can't. But yeah, I called them and I made sure that the tickets can be used at another date. So we're gonna go another date when it's sunny. Look at that. You can't really see. You can't really tell from here. It's just gray outside. It's just gray. I think we're probably gonna go eat pho. Are we gonna go to Pho Allison like the one from last time?
Yes, best place in Oakland, baby.
Okay. I guess from the Oaklandite here. We're at this place called Monster Pho. It's our first time here. His brother's parking the car, and we'll see if it's good enough to our tastes. We'll see. It smells good in there, so.
Well, the pho place didn't smell good. There's something wrong with it.
Oh, yeah. We are waiting for pho. And it's not here yet. I'm starving. Do you want food?
Oh, are you asking me?
Yeah.
I thought you were looking at yourself. I'm really hungry. And I could use some coffee, even though I had some earlier.
So I was too hungry again to film. Okay, what is... Oh, ooh, look, the popo. Oh, that's where the noise is coming from. I was too hungry to film my food, but the pho was okay. We collectively rated like 3 out of 5 stars. And it was like 4.5 stars on Yelp, so I don't know. We're going to the Science Museum now. Okay, see ya. We arrived. We went up the mountain and it's foggy.
Oh.
It's like Silent Hill, but with cars.
And next thing you know, there'll be some kind of breakout.
So creepy up here. Like, I can't even see, like,
This is
the fog.
I don't think I've seen thick fog like this in a long time.
Hey, stop! You kicked me.
There are kids everywhere. There's supposed to be a view here, but like, all I see is nothingness and fog. Why? But then again, I do like fog. We're inside Lawrence Science Hall Museum. I don't know what I just said. It's so colorful. It's kind of weird, like, coming out of that fog, because like I couldn't really see anything, and then like this building comes out of nowhere. Right now, I'm just gonna buy my tickets.
I'm so I keep doing this and I'm like, wait, I just confused myself from up there.
This is why I'm not an engineer. We're going into the room of animals. Honestly, all the rooms here look like whatchamacallit, classrooms. Molted skin. Do you like tarantulas?
No.
Like a guinea pig. Bunnies inside cages. Hi, bunny.
Why are chinchillas like sloths?
It's another chinchilla. Because they're nocturnal.
Oh, they are?
We're just done with the museum, but look at this. It's outside. It's like white. I can't see anything. And it's also raining really hard. I'm so tired. We went to watch a movie like in a lecture theater, lecture hall, and it really was like I was back in school. It wasn't like an actual theater. I'm so tired right now. This store's name is called The Rapey. We're going to T4 right now. We're gonna go get boba. Because we're thinking it.
I can do that and see you at the same time. Alam mo.
So we're back home. Well, back at his place.
Hi.
And I guess today was okay. I guess the rain didn't make it as exciting as it was supposed to be today, but we can go to Six Flags any other weekend. Oh my god! He's
supposed to do it.
He attacked me. How could you?
I'm sorry.
Look at this wall. Home improvement project. Spackle. Yes. We are at Safeway making. No, not making. We are buying ingredients for dinner tonight. We're making Korean fried chicken. Chicken, look. Also, slow cooker desserts. We were passing by this area and we saw. We were wondering why all the condoms are like sold out. Also on the Safeway coupon app, there's like this supposed to be this free like organic fruit snack. And we scoured the produce department because that's where it said it would be, but it's gone. Or like it never existed in the first place. And I'm disappointed because I wanted a free fruit snack. Free fruit snacks are the best snacks ever. Ever. I am so full. We made Korean fried chicken. Here's the remnants. It looks so gross in this light, but trust me, it was so good. I was too busy with cooking to really film anything. I feel like that happens so much, and I feel like whenever I do these vlogs, they are always like mostly about food. But I don't know. I guess today was an okay day regarding the rain and like not being able to go to Six Flags, but I can always go some other day. I guess that's it for today. Thank you for watching. See y'all next time. Bye.